This is how the Tesla Cybertruck views the world. It literally sees everything, whether it is parked cars or pedestrian. Raising the question, are humans even necessary anymore? Will our great-great-nephews and nieces need to learn how to drive when these self-driving cars take over? This technology is truly mind-blowing, and it's going to revolutionize the way we travel. However, we still find it hard to picture a world where only self-driving cars exist. On one hand, self-driving technology like this promises a future with fewer accidents and significantly less road rage. But on the other hand, there is something important about having humans behind the wheel. The ability to react instinctively and navigate unexpected situations are skills that artificial intelligence is still in the process of learning. There's a human touch that current technology can't fully replicate.